welcome back to Anti-Sober October. Today is day 10. Feels like I'm already dying halfway through this month. Alright, so in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a tornado chug. I couldn't find a 32 ounce, so I'm gonna take some of this out and just pour it into my handy dandy fucking red cup. And what a tornado chug is you swirl it around and you chug it down and it creates a little fucking vortex. Here we go. Alright, that didn't work. Alright, now let's try it. Yeah, it didn't work. Alright guys, so obviously that was a failed attempt. If you guys know what I was doing wrong, please comment down below. Other than that, let me finish this beer. Fuck. Cheers. Alright, there you go. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share because I do need the support. Other than that, peace out.
Blacked out how the other night last. Maybe come around for a minute, should I like that?